Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram story templates. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner to add a story. Now tap on Create on left hand side. And here you will see many options. Swipe left to go through the options. And you will find templates. Now tap on the dice icon at the top of the screen to go through the templates. I'll select this template. You can also change the background by tapping on the colored circle on bottom right corner. When you are done, tap on the circle with 4 squares to set it as a background. Now I'll just add text to this story. You can also add stickers or draw a line. When you are done, post the story. And that's how you can use Instagram story templates. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.